sheriff here with Janet and the Politi boat. That's police. There's the Island Princess over that way. We are in the town of Qaqortoq, Greenland. And we're going to take a quick stroll back to where the tenders are so you can get a good look. Seagulls on the roof. Turnips for sale, I think. There's the Sesame store. You should watch our video we made from here. We went all the way around town. There's a big lake. Well, this is a river coming from the lake. And of course, there's a church right there. Another bridge. This is the last stop on a 16-day cruise. Now we have 4 days at sea back to Southampton, England. And I like the way everything's painted colorfully, like black and white. Let's check out the wishing well. Oh well. Get it? These are some old houses here, I suppose. Right? Huh. Quick video of these houses. I'll hold this. I'm going to walk over to this statue. Look at the stairway going up the side of this red house. So there's a statue. That's pretty cool. A bench. More shops. More buildings. More Janet. There's the church again. Like I was saying, all the buildings here are brightly colored. Well, okay, maybe not all of them, but most of them. Most of them. Except for the car. So, I don't know if you've got taxis where you live, but there's a Volkswagen pickup taxi. And I don't believe I've ever seen one before. But I guess anything could be a taxi, right? There's another church up there. You can see the bells and the cross. I guess that's a belfry. I call it a campanile. That's a hotel, and it had signs all over it. No visitors until after 5 p.m. Of course, the ship will have sailed by then. So I guess they were trying to say, we don't want you here. And it has a restaurant in it and everything. But of course, we just wanted to use the bathroom. We did finally find a bathroom in the market right next to it. Sesame Market or something like that. And here's the welcome to Qaqortoq. See the name there? I believe I'm pronouncing it correctly, but I'm not sure. Let's go down to the water line. There's the Island Princess. And there's a tender boat. water shuttle. And that's not a stairway. And you can see the houses, brightly colored. And that really concludes our day in Qaqortoq, Greenland. And Janet's going to go in there.
So are you.
Be careful of my phone. And she's going to be careful of my phone. Let's cross. Is the way in there or there? Because you got to cross this little creek.
There's a little bridge there. I need to get some postcards.
So, here's a map of the town. In our other video, we go all the way around here and all the way up here, and then here and all the way up here. So you should check that out. It won't be 360 though. Oh, we're busy. That's the flag of Greenland, made into all sorts of products. That's the flag of Greenland. Coffee cups, shot glasses. The exchange rate is like 7 of theirs to 1 US. Wait a minute. Wait, 1 cotton picking minute. Okay, take 5 for 20. That would be about $3. Because 5 kroner is less than $1. I think that's what it stands for. Anyway, let me walk out here for just a quick. Hi! There's the tenders waiting for us. There's the ship waiting for us. She's waiting. They're taking pictures of, oh, cave art up there. See that? Or not cave art, rock art. Carved into the rock. See that? You probably can't see that very well in this video. People out here selling stuff.